Being a billionaire in a short amount of time is not easy. You need to put in a lot of work, be dedicated, and possess the required skills to launch a successful business. However, if you take the right steps, you may become wealthy by 2023. This video will discuss strategies that can be used to become a billionaire in 2023, such as investing in the right sectors, leveraging technology to create an innovative business, and taking calculated risks. Being a billionaire is attainable with the appropriate mindset and commitment. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Let's begin, then. Invest in stocks. Cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies may boost your financial security and prosperity. By investing in shares, you may benefit from dividend payments as well as the rise in stock price. The potential for increasing Bitcoin use as well as the value rise of the coins you already possess might both benefit you. Even though stocks and cryptocurrencies are both volatile and dangerous, with the correct research and guidance, they might both be terrific long-term investments. When buying stocks, research is essential. Understanding the company's roots, finances, and competitors is essential. It's also essential to comprehend how the stock market works. Knowing the risks and advantages of stock investing may help you make good decisions. Before making any Bitcoin investments, it's important to do your research. It is essential to comprehend the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, their purposes, and the advantages and disadvantages of investing in them. It's also essential to comprehend the Bitcoin market and how it operates. You may use this to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of investing in it and to guide your decision-making. Develop a new technology or business venture. Developing a new technology or business venture might be a great way to increase your wealth and financial security. Starting a new business may be a risky endeavor, but with the proper research and guidance, it can also be a smart long-term investment. When developing new technologies or business initiatives, it is essential to understand the market and the competitive environment. You could discover chances and acquire a competitive advantage by doing this. Understanding the company's finances, as well as the risks and rewards, is equally essential. Become an angel investor. Becoming an angel investor is a terrific way to increase your financial security and gain wealth. Angel investing is the practice of making investments in new businesses. By investing in developing businesses, you may benefit from the growth of the company and the potential for increased acceptance and usage of the product or service. Angel financing may also open up amazing networking possibilities and the chance to cooperate with like-minded companies. Start a successful side hustle. A great way to increase your financial security and riches is by starting a successful side company. A side job is a way to supplement your primary source of income. It is possible to do anything, such work as a freelancer, launch an online business, or drive for Uber or Lyft. You could benefit from the extra cash you earn by starting a successful side hustle. You could also get skills and experiences from it that you can use to other facets of your life. Pursue a high-paying career. A high-paying career might be a great way to increase your wealth and financial security. By selecting a high-paying career, you may benefit from the increased income and potential for professional advancement within the company. Utilizing the skills and experiences you've acquired via your profession, you may potentially take advantage of further employment opportunities. Understanding the employment market and the competitive landscape is essential. You may use this to research potential work opportunities and make an informed career decision. Network with influential people. Networking is one of the most successful business strategies. Building connections with influential people may help with opportunities for professional progress, access to resources and knowledge, and more. You could progress professionally and perhaps get useful suggestions from a strong network. Making ties with influential people may take some time and effort. The advantages might be significant, but you need to be consistent and patient. To get started, go to industry gatherings like conferences and seminars and present yourself to everyone who can help. Pose inquiries to them and show interest in learning their responses. Don't forget to stay in touch with new acquaintances and follow up. You may connect with important people via social media networks like LinkedIn and Twitter. Follow the people that interest you and engage with them by commenting, or sending them a direct message on their posts. In your message, make sure to introduce yourself and explain why you think you may work with them. Negotiate better deals. Negotiation is an essential business skill. Effective bargaining may help your business get better deals on products and services and earn more money. Before entering into any talks, it is essential to assess the circumstances. Make sure you are aware of the contract's terms and conditions as well as the market rates for the products and services you are interested in. You must be conscious of your own limitations in addition to the strengths and weaknesses of the other side. When bartering, take care to speak precisely and clearly. Be willing to make concessions and fully explain your viewpoint. Be fair while being firm, and adaptable enough to be open to new ideas. Pay close attention to the demands and interests of the other party. Last but not least, keep in mind to leave room for future negotiations. Start a high-growth business. Launching a business is a great way to make money and advance your career. To establish a business that can grow quickly and generate significant profits, you must be clever. Prior to creating a product or service, you must first choose the problem that needs to be solved. Verify that there is a sufficient market for your product or service and that it is large enough to support your company. After deciding on a product or service to market, you should focus on developing a business strategy that will lead to quick growth. Find a method to differentiate yourself from the competition, for as by offering exceptional customer service or a unique product. You must also develop a thorough marketing plan and assemble the necessary resources if you want to make your business lucrative. Utilize the power of social media, website optimization, and other digital marketing techniques to reach more customers. Get involved with real estate. Real estate is an excellent way to make money and build wealth. A consistent source of income and maybe even long-term wealth can be obtained via real estate investment. When it comes to real estate investing, there are several options. You may purchase a house to flip, engage in real estate development, or purchase a rental property. Before you invest, it's important to do your research and fully understand the risks and benefits of each option since they may potentially provide different returns. You may become involved in the sector by going to real estate seminars, talking to seasoned investors, and networking with real estate professionals. You should also read books, articles, and enroll in classes to learn more about real estate investing. Utilize the power of compounding. Compounding is one of the best investing strategies. It involves reinvesting your investment income in order to get even higher returns. Compounding may both help you quickly amass cash and produce a large amount of wealth over time. When you make frequent investments over a long period of time, compounding works best. Choose the investments that will provide the highest returns to get the most out of your money. You should diversify your holdings to prevent placing all your eggs in one basket. Finally, bear in mind to regularly monitor your assets and keep an eye on them. Compounding may be used to your advantage if you have a sound investment plan in place. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.